ToolOptics. My name is Russ, and today we're going to have a look at this Milwaukee circular saw. So this is the M18 Fuel 165mm circular saw from Milwaukee. It'll take the M18 battery pack. Some of the things that I really like about this saw, I really like the build quality of it. I like the fact that it's got a magnesium guard and not a plastic guard. The base is really thick. Some circular saws just have a thin base, but this one's actually got a thicker patterned base. It's kind of like a molded pattern on the base plate, just to make it more stronger. I also like the fact that all the measurements on this saw are stamped into a metal plate, so they're not going to rub off over time. Even the angle adjustment on this bevel, it's all in metal, so and it's very easy to see, and it's not going to wear over time. I like the fact that this saw has a rafter hook, and it's a good size hook as well, so that if you're doing any kind of framing, you can just hook the tool on while you're up on a roof. The one thing about this tool that I don't really like, it's just a personal preference, is I don't like the blade on the left hand side. I'm right-handed, and I'm just used to using a circular saw, holding it like this. I don't like leaning over the blade while I'm having to do my cuts. If you're left-handed, it probably will suit you just fine. The other saws that I've got, I have the blade on the right-hand side. That's just a personal preference. It's in no way detracting from the kind of build quality of the saw at all. This tool has a very powerful brushless motor, and at the time of its release, it had the fastest blade speed. A couple of the other brands have now caught up, and they also have a 5,000 RPM blade speed. But just to show you the difference, I've got here my older, it's also a brushless saw. It's an AEG brushless saw, but it's not the Fusion. I think the motor is rated at about 3,400 RPM, whereas this one's 5,000. So let's just have a listen to the difference. This is the AEG, and this is the Milwaukee. You can hear that it's a lot faster. Both these saws have an electronic brake, which is just a great safety feature. So it stops almost instantly. It has a dust extraction port, which you can attach vacuum to. Works pretty well. Other than that, I think it's a great circular saw. If you're on the Milwaukee platform, you should really consider getting this. It's a powerful tool. It's lightweight. It's pretty versatile, and I think it'll do the job well for you. Let's have a look at a video showing this tool's features. This particular saw is over 2 or 3 years old. It's still in really good shape. The base plate hasn't bent at all. It works perfectly, just as good as it did on day one. So it's a really well constructed saw. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment in the comments below and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button. Thank you. Have a great day, and God bless you.